Grandma's Wisdom series. The Lemonade Lesson. Two best friends, Meera and Kabir, wanted to buy a beautiful storybook they saw at the village market, but neither of them had enough money. Instead of feeling sad, Meera's grandmother gave them an idea. Why not earn it yourselves? The next morning, the children set up a tiny lemonade stand in front of their house using fresh lemons from their garden. Slowly, people started to buy the lemonade. At first, they excitedly spent all the money they earned on snacks and colorful balloons. By evening, they realized they had no money left to buy more lemons for the next day. Feeling disappointed, they sat quietly under a tree. Their grandmother smiled gently and explained, "If you spend everything today, your tomorrow becomes difficult." The children understood their mistake. The next day, they carefully divided their earnings. One part for buying more lemons, one part for spending, one part for saving. Slowly, their lemonade stand became popular. People loved their kindness, teamwork, and cheerful smiles. After many days of patience and smart planning, Meera and Kabir finally earned enough money to buy the storybook. But this time, they felt even happier because they had earned it through hard work and smart choices. That evening, the two children sat together, reading the book while sipping lemonade under the golden sunset. Moral lesson: money grows when we use it wisely, save patiently, and plan for the future.
Hi everyone! If you want more fun lessons, make sure to hit that subscribe button.